I've never claimed to be a makeup artist or a professional. This whole thing is like a learning system. I think every day is a learning opportunity for everybody. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's a tutorial about this amazing look. Let's get to it, shall we? So I have already primed my eyes and did my brows off camera. I'm going to be using the Rainbow palette from the Glamore Cosmetics for my eyes, to create my eyes. I'm going to go with the shade here as my transitioning color. So you want to start with a minimal amount of product, just blend it there. So I'm also going to drag it a little bit here just to even under my brow area. You just want to start with a minimal amount of product and then you build it as you go along. I'm also dragging it under my eye. You can see I'm going to go with this dark black color. Eyeshadow under the color. I mean, if I'm working with any color, I like to use black for that smoky kind of look. And I'm gonna drag it down here in the inner corner of my eye slightly. It's a lot here, and then slightly a little bit dark on the inside. And I'm gonna go with the blue. I love blue. So I'm just taking small, like little, and then building it up until the color is starting to become visible. And then I'm just gonna go with this color again that I used earlier on before, my transitioning color, to just blend everything, especially on the inside here, and blend it with the black. Blend it with the black. Blend it with the black. Then I'm gonna use this glittery eyeshadow. It's also from Glamore Cosmetics. It's in the shade 16. I don't know if you can see. So this is how it swatches. That's how it looks. Right on. I'm actually so nervous because just trying it as it's going along. Ooh. It's beautiful. Wow. So I'm gonna go with this well-kept eyeliner, also from Glamore Cosmetics, to line my eyes, and I'm also gonna do my lashes off camera as well. And then I'm gonna go with this blue that I use. And I'm just gonna put it under my lower lashes. Can you see the difference between this lower lashes and that lower lashes? And I'm just gonna use their primer. It's like a sample that they sent me. It's actually for dry skin, and I'm gonna go with the Glamore Cosmetics Ideal Matte. It's a hidden Ideal Matte long lasting makeup. So I'm using shade 5. I'm just gonna go with their sponge as well. It blends in nicely, I have to say. This foundation blends in nicely. Wow, it's amazing. The coverage is amazing, guys. Like, it's super amazing. And to conceal my face, I'm gonna use their concealer. I wanted like a liquid concealer, but then I got this one here. So we're just gonna try it. Oops! This concealer is way too light. So this concealer is freaking lighter than my skin tone. That is fine. Just put a minimal, not a lot. To try, you guys, I promise I haven't tried this. I'm gonna try this now on camera with you guys along. The banana powder. This is also from Glamore, obviously. You guys, I am living for this banana powder. I think in every look I'm gonna be using this banana powder. I am obsessed. Okay, so I'm just gonna, don't wanna keep it baking for so long. I wanna wipe it off. So I'm gonna go with the coconut modeling palette. I'm gonna use the first shade on the left to contour. And put it under my jaw as well. And then I'm gonna use it to contour my nose. Oh gosh, it actually smells like coconut. Oh, it literally smells like coconut. And I'm gonna go with this Egyptian, it's like a highlight, it's like a highlighting powder. What I like to do, I go with my powder brush and just blend everything so that it doesn't look like you just put. It must look like everything is blooming from your face. It's like all blended together. For my lower lashes, I'm gonna go with this hand mascara. If you have like small lower lashes like I do, always look on the side of like this when you're applying. And then you can nicely see how your lashes are, and you don't get it on your eyelid. You can nicely see, like now I can like really see how good they are. I got this two lippy from Glamore. I have Juliet and Kylie, and I also got this lip crayon. This one is they like a mattifying crayon. This is how they swatch on my hand. Beautiful, guys. This is like a plumish color. It's amazing. And this one is like a nudish color. They are all matte. I'm sure you can also use this lip crayon as a lipstick if you. It's all three. Let's see. This is Juliet 406. I love Juliet. And this is how Juliet swatches. I'm just gonna swatch it. Ooh, Juliet is like a peachy type of nude, and I'm here for it. This is Juliet with Way, and this is Kylie 406. And this is how Kylie swatches next to Juliet. Kylie is like a mauvey nude. Yes, Kylie. And I'm gonna go in with the Him Fix-It spray. This is the final look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Obsessed. I'm so obsessed with Over the Rainbow palette. I just love everything in this palette and the packaging, and you name it, you name it. And I really love, I was not a fan of this foundation when they sent me a sample, but now I'm obsessed. Look at the coverage. Can you guys see my blemishes? No. No. So get this foundation, and it's mattifying, guys. It just blocks away the oil. It's just magic. I love it, and I love this. I just love the coconut palette. I thought this palette was gonna be too light. I was like, but no, it literally contour my face. I tried the darkest one to contour my face, and it's absolutely amazing. And it's just literally smells like coconut. The concealer, I'm not really crazy. I think this concealer, it's for light skinned people. The concealer it's not for me. Although I have to say it blends in nice, because this banana powder is to die for. It's my absolute favorite. I've been wanting to get my hands on the banana powder, and I finally got it. This doesn't last on the website. It quickly sold out because it's so amazing. Get your hands on this banana. If you're looking for setting powder, any powder, get your hands on this banana powder and you will not regret it. Yeah, so I'm really impressed with their products. You guys know I'm a fan of the Glamore Cosmetics. I really love them. They must just start also considering dark skin and, you know, African women, and it's just gonna be awesome. They're just gonna be like the #1 like ever. And for a discount, use the code Nella to get 20% off. I mean, that's a lot. That's massive. That's really massive. You get 20% off if you use code Nella. I'm gonna put the link of the website down below to get your hands on this product, all of the products that I've used on this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and hit the it's like a bell. It's a notification bell. The moment I upload a video, you'll be the first person to be notified to come and watch. Yeah, and thanks for the people that watch and give positive feedbacks, and even the negative one, even the critics one. Be good, be kind so much, and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. It's your girl Nella. I'm checking out. Bye.